install TicTAG, you have to only type upload, go to the contents. Now if you want to load it once, you can select a file and use upload. If you want to load it again and again at startup, you just go select a file and close. Next time you launch AutoCAD, it will launch in the file. So if we type TicTAG, the software will run. Now this file is empty, so I'll paste a plan, and now if I type TicTAG, it's very easy to use. What you have to do is first type a name for the object. So let's suppose I want to select this seat with a table, 2 seats, so I give it seats or chairs, doesn't matter, and I pick the object. Now it shows us the name plus the kind of or the type of this object. In this case it's an insert, or as we call it, a block. So let's mark another one. Let's create a rectangle around this area, and I'll TicTAG or TicTAG, give it a name, issue number 1. In this case I would like to send this file to a colleague, and I want him to see that I have in this area an issue. So I select, give it, and close, and if I go back to this area and I type TicTAG or TicTAG, and I select this one and press find, it will select the object and zoom into the area. Now TicTAG again. I may delete this one, so I destroy the connection, and once I run it again, it's no more in the list. So this is a very simple script. It helps you identify objects that you use in AutoCAD. So that is it. Thank you.